Let's go to the next question. Consider the following statement. In tropical region, Zika virus disease is transmitted by same mosquito that transmit dengue. Sexual transmission of Zika virus disease is possible. Sexual transmission of Zika virus disease is possible. Option 1 is correct because we have just studied that Zika virus, yellow fever, dengue and chikungunya have the same type of mosquito. Sexual transmission of Zika virus disease is possible. So Zika virus is spread through blood and semen also. I think option 2 will also be correct. 193C. So both are correct. Let me check if dengue also transmitted to not transmitted by respiratory droplets, saliva, sexual contact. Okay. Hepatitis B is transmitted also. Let's go to the next question. Consider the following: bird, dust blowing, rain, wind blowing. Which one of the above plant spread diseases? Dust blowing, rain, wind blowing. I think all of the answers are correct. Birds moving through crop can carry pathogen. Some places rain seems to more important than insect disseminating bacteria. Okay, also option D. All the options are correct. (195) Which of the following leaf modification occurs in desert area to inhibit water loss? Hard and waxy leaves. This is correct because the leaves are waxy so that less amount of water is evaporated. Tiny leaf, this is also correct. Thorn instead of this is also correct. So option D. Okay, this is correct. 196. Consider the following statement. Some species of turtle are herbivores, some species of fish are herbivore, some species of marine mammal are herbivores, some species of snakes are viviparous. Okay, so there must be some species of these who will do this because so I think all of the options are correct. 196. Cobra, the python, the keelwag don't lay eggs, so they are called viviparous. Wing, outling. Okay. There are lots of snakes who show viviparity. So whenever this some type of options are there, most probably these are correct because even if snakes are not usually viviparous, there must be some species of snakes which are viviparous. Okay, go to the next question. Which of the following are the reason for occurrence of multi-drug resistance in microbial pathogen in India? Multi-drug resistance is when you use antibiotic in huge quantity or without any doctor's prescription, so the microbes gets resistance against that drug. So genetic predisposition of some people. Genetic predisposition. So what's the meaning of predisposition? Okay, let me go to the next option. Taking incorrect doses, anyway this will be correct. Option 2 will be correct. Using antibiotics in livestock farming, this is also correct. So this multi-drug resistance generally occurs from by using antibiotics in farming sector. This is I know. 2, 3 will be correct. Multiple chronic diseases in some people. Multiple chronic disease in some people. Chronic disease in some people. Multiple chronic disease in some people. People can have chronic disease and that can cause MDR, but I'm not sure about this. Genetic predisposition of some people. So what's the meaning of predisposition? A liability or tendency to suffer from a particular condition, hold a particular attitude or act in a particular way. Genetic expression this means. So genetic expression may be somewhat related with MDR, but I think option 2, 3, 4 will be correct, or option B will be correct. Let me check. Option B. Okay, overuse or misuse of microbial agent. They are used in different manner in animal antibiotics. Because we don't contain 2 and 3. So we are 50-50 between B and D as per the official. Okay, there is some confusion with last option. Let me check if MDR can be genetic. Can drug resistance be genetic? Antibody to kill germ bacteria which resistance, however resistance trait can be inherited. Okay, so genetic changes in bacteria cause MDR, but in people there is no relation with genetics and MDR. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct? Hepatitis B virus is transmitted much like HIV. This is correct. Hepatitis B, unlike hepatitis C, does not have a vaccine. Hepatitis B, unlike hepatitis C, does not have a vaccine. So hepatitis vaccine is there. Hepatitis B, unlike hepatitis C, does not have. Hepatitis B vaccine is given in India. So I think option B is wrong. Globally, the number of people infected with hepatitis B and C viruses are several times more than those of HIV. Some of those infected with hepatitis B and C virus do not show symptoms for many years. Some of those infected with hepatitis B virus do not show symptoms for many years. This will be correct because this is some is mentioned, and I think hepatitis B has a vaccine. So option B. Option B. Let me check out hepatitis C. Hepatitis C, liver infection caused by hepatitis C virus spread through contact of blood of infected person to become infected hepatitis B C virus in needles. The recommended treatment vaccine. So there is no vaccine for hepatitis C. Okay. Hepatitis A is acute infection. People usually improve with treatment. Hepatitis C can cause chronic persistent infection which can lead to chronic liver disease. There is no vaccine to prevent hepatitis. There is a vaccine to prevent A and B, however there is not for hepatitis C. Okay. Mostly people are affected by hepatitis B, then hepatitis C. Hepatitis C management will when people living with this disease. Okay. 0.5 to 1.5%. Okay, I'll check those later. Consider the following statement. Genetic change can be introduced in cells that produce eggs or sperms of a prospective parent. Genetic changes can be introduced. Yes, this is correct. A person's genome can be edited before birth at the early embryonic stage. Genetic genome can be edited. This is correct. Human induced pluripotent stem cell can be injected into embryo of a pig. So pluripotent stem cell are stem cells which can be converted into any type of cells. Genetic engineering can be into cell 1, 3, 1 and 2. A person's genome can be edited before birth at the early embryonic stage. 2 is also correct. It can be. I think option D will be correct. Option D. CRISPR technology, genome editing. So CRISPR is very important technology. Genetic engineering can be introduced. Okay, let's study it. Writing it down. What is the importance of using pneumococcal conjugate vaccine? These vaccines are effective against pneumonia as well as meningitis and herpes. Pneumonia and herpes dependencies on antibiotics that are not effective against drug-resistant bacteria can be reduced. So vaccine will be effective against drug-resistant bacteria. That is correct. Option 2 will be correct. So I'll have to choose between B and D. These vaccines have no side effects and cause no allergic reaction. This will be wrong because no vaccine has no side effects or no reaction. So option B. Option B, yes. Meningitis, herpes and pneumonia. Okay. So I'm stopping here. I'll continue later with new sets of questions, and please let me know in comment section what I am doing is helpful for you or not. So you will know I am not teaching anything. I am just doing my preparation and showing it to you. So it may be or may not be helpful to you. Thanks.